Hello traders, welcome to another exciting daily market analysis on EURJPY. For today being the 24th of April 2020, and I am Emmanuel Odogwu, a market analyst here at Rally Academy. Sit back and enjoy the daily market analysis. Now into the MT4 chart now, so we can clearly see that we are on EURJPY daily. Just as we always do, we start from the daily. We do what we call top-down analysis. Not to forget, we are looking at technical analysis. Okay, so the top-down analysis is you look at the higher time frame, like where daily time frame. You come down to 4-hour time frame, and you take your trading decisions on the 1-hour time frame. So this is the daily time frame. Just like recorded in other videos, we can clearly see that EURJPY on the daily is clearly going to our channel. It's on a downward trend here. Okay, clearly going down. Okay, so it is coming down right now to this dynamic support here. So we expect it to have some challenges here, to bounce on this and start going up something like this, but that will not happen immediately. It will take some time. So we expect it to have some challenge, just like it did here, just like it did here, just like it did here. Okay, so to have some challenges here, and later on bounces off of the dynamic support to the upside. So we expect something like this, but that will not just happen immediately. So it will take some time to go up again. Remember, each of these bar is signifying market activity for one day. Okay, so let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we also drew this channel, and we can see that it has clearly been going to the channel, and this is the trade we placed days ago. Okay, and then it bounces off this lower this dynamic support here up to the resistance. So at the resistance, we saw that it was going to have a challenge there some days ago. So we now place a sell. You can see we short the market there 0.05. We short it there, and then since there it has been coming down, and that trade is on profit. You can see the profits down here. Okay, so we're still on this 4-hour time frame. It is approaching the dynamic support again on this our channel. Okay, so we're approaching that dynamic support, is doing that right now. So we expect a bounce off the dynamic support. So we're expecting a bounce off the dynamic support on the daily time frame. We're also expecting a bounce off the dynamic support on the 4-hour time frame. So let's see what we're expecting on the 1-hour time frame. Okay, now this 1-hour time frame, this is using the fresh pip now. Okay, so you can see, let me zoom in into this area. Okay, so you can see this is the analysis we did on the 22nd of April 2020. Okay, this analysis we did, we said it was the price was going up, and we saw that that level makes it a resistance at that level, because price has been here, and this is the fourth time. Okay, so that's a resistance. So we now short the market at this point, and then we place our we said we are going to place our stop loss here, and then our take profit here. Clearly it happened just the way we analyze it. Okay, fine. Then for today, let's look at the trading opportunities we have for now and for today. So this for today, the market has come down to this level and bounced off this level. For yesterday, it went up again, came down again to bounce off the same level. That makes it a support. It went up again to this DPV. It bounces off the DPV and came down again to this same level. So let's look at this level now. 1, 2, 3. That makes it a very strong level, obviously, because if you look at the daily time frame, it's telling us that the price is bouncing off a dynamic support. If you look at the 4-hour time frames, also telling us the same thing, and here it's also telling us the same thing. So we might expect the price to move down a little bit more, but this level, I tell you, is a very strong level. This level, let me draw it. This level is a strong level. So this level is a strong level because we have seen this same level on the daily time frame, we have seen it on the 4 hour time frame, and here we are seeing it here again. So we expect it to struggle on this level for some time. Okay, what are the other options we expect if it struggle on this level and it finally broke it? So we should be expecting a full candle that opens and close below it somewhere here. So when you see that, you can be expecting that the market will still go down. But if it bounces off this level and start going up, you can look forward to scalp it with a buy. Okay, so if it bounces off this level and shows you a, let's use this, if it bounces off this level and shows you a black candle, a bullish candle just form above this resistance, now that shows it has broken this small resistance, so you can scalp it and take some profit towards the DPV. Okay, but if it bounces off this level and goes up and bounce and gets to the DPV, so that DPV becomes a very strong resistance, so you can look forward to take a sell trade there. Okay, remember the market has been falling on the daily time frame, falling on the 4 hour time frame. So if it bounces off this level and comes to the DPV, so you can look forward to place a sell trade on this level. Okay, on this DPV, which is a dynamic resistance. Okay, and of course selling at the dynamic resistance is the best time to sell. Okay, so if you sell there and the price goes down again, that becomes a profit. But for now we are seeing it the price is on a support, and that's a strong support. So you are to watch it and see whether it will break it. But I tell you, it's a very strong level, so it will be difficult to break. So these are the trading opportunities we expect for today. Remember, if it breaks it and start going down and goes below this S1, you can see here, goes below this level, this 115.500, then you can look forward to continue the sale. If it bounces off this level and goes up like this, and the price goes up like something like this, so you can look forward to short the market to place a sell trade at this DP so that you can take the trade all the way down. Okay, don't forget to add your stop loss and of course your take profit on the market. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities we are looking at on Euro JPY for the 24th of April 2020. Thank you very much for taking out your time to watch this analysis. See you in the next video. Bye for now.